Business education is an investment for the future. It constitutes an integral part of academic growth and career building. Today, only a well-qualified person with a high degree of specialization can withstand the competitive market. An institute has seamlessly evolved to meet these challenges of the dynamic, ever-growing and vibrant learning scenario. MITCON Institute was established in 2006. This niche business school is strategically located on NH4 at Balewadi, Pune. With a sprawling 2.5-acre campus, MITCON Institute educates over 400 students under its latest, unique, pro-corporate curriculum. Approved by the AICTE, MITCON is an ISO 9001-2008 certified institution. It has also received an A-star rating as an educational institute from CRISIL Business School Rating. MITCON Institute endeavors to nurture and shape young professionals, keeping in mind the dynamics of modern business and challenges of the highly competitive global economic environment. MITCON fosters academic excellence and personal growth for each student, preparing them to excel at prestigious organizations worldwide. Knowledge, wisdom, leadership, and character are the cornerstones of MITCON's ethos. With state-of-the-art infrastructure, our video conferencing facility, spacious and well-equipped modern classrooms are transformed into effective learning centers where emphasis is given on creation of concept teamed with interaction. Open discussion forums along with advanced teaching aids like LCD projectors, slide, PA systems, etc. support enhanced understanding. Innovative and dynamic teaching modules comprising of case studies, syndicate methods like video-audio presentation, and a participative approach are followed extensively at MITCON. MITCON has 2 AICTE approved cells: IIPC, Industry Institute Partnership Cell, EDC, Entrepreneurship Development Cell. We are the only institute providing 4 varied courses under one roof. Business Administration. This course addresses core disciplines and functional areas as marketing, finance, human resource management, etc. Banking and financial services. MITCON Institute has uniquely designed a program which shapes professionals to work in the banking and finance sector in the evolving markets globally. Agribusiness and Management. This course produces techno-managers to cater to the needs of various agribusiness sectors. And Pharmaceutical Management. This syllabus is designed to cater to the growing needs of the pharma industry, supported by projects and study tours. MITCON boasts of dedicated faculty who bring a rich blend of industrial and academic experience.
Not a long time back, just 2-3 months before, I remember was my first day in MITCON. I was roaming around the campus and there was a question that popped my brain. That is this the place I want to spend the next 2 years of my life? And the answer that came right from the bottom of my heart was a big yes. It is not because of the beautiful infrastructure, but also because of the overwhelming attitude of the faculties. Thank you, MITCON.
The computer lab is the habitat of the smart minds who find themselves immersed in online e-journals and database, while the Wi-Fi enabled campus allows convenient access to students for the projects. The library is well stocked with over 13,038 books on all subjects. Students can use EBSCO-host database, which has 1,200 plus e-journals from around the world. MITCON periodically invites experts from industry and to conduct workshops for students. Here, the students are taught to comprehend live corporate situations while grasping a more realistic approach to decision-making.
These workshops help us to get inspired from these eminent personalities and become a successful professional in our personal and professional life. Thank you, MITCON.
Industrial visits are arranged periodically, which are designed to provide students with first-hand knowledge of shop floor. We also have video conferencing facility at our campus for quick communication, interviews and interactions with corporate and academicians across the globe. Our association with the corporate world is not limited to only seminars or visits. These companies also foster summer and final placements. Year after year, MITCON is visited by leading companies from agri, pharma, insurance and banking, telecom, retail and others. MITCON has introduced the Silver Screen Curriculum. A movie screened in the movie club encourages all management students to exponentially enhance their understanding about the intricacies of business and enterprises. We encourage edutainment. Our students participate in an array of stress-busting activities. These fun-filled activities stimulate team building, innovation, interaction and participation. They participate in events like Farmeet, Bankoscope, Biotech Prospects, Agri Prospect, Food Conclave, Reflection and Youth Fiesta. All the activities are organized by the students with the guidance by our faculty. Teamed with sports like volleyball, table tennis and carom, students become achievers in every aspect. We embrace students from all multicultural backgrounds, be it metros or smaller towns. As a result, we cater to a substantial genre of the student population. Students from all over the country enroll themselves here with us.
मी महाराष्ट्रातून आलेलो आहे. मी मिटकॉनमध्ये आल्यापासून माझ्या आयुष्याला एक वेगळीच कलाटणी मिळाली आहे. येथे अभ्यासाबरोबरच माझ्या इतर कलागुणांनाही खूप वाव मिळाला आहे. आज मला अभिमान आहे की मी मिटकॉन परिवाराचा एक सदस्य आहे. यस, आई एम ए मिटकॉनियन.
મને મિટકોન કોલેજ ખૂબ બઢિયા લાગ રહ્યો है ને હું આજ ઘરથી કહેણો ચાહું કે હું મિટકોનરી છાત્ર હું. યસ, આઈ એમ અ મિટકોનિયન.
હું મિટકોનનો એક ભાગ છું તે મને બહુ ગમે છે. અહીં ખૂબ જ મસ્તી અને ઘણું બધું શીખવા લાયક છે. હું આપ સૌનું હાર્દિક સ્વાગત કરું છું. યસ, આઈ એમ મિટકોનિયન.
मुझे मिटकॉन कॉलेज बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. यहाँ सीखने को बहुत कुछ है एंड आई लव टू बी हियर. Yes, I am Midconian.
Midcon Institute is providing a good education when compared with any other institute in Pune. Yes, I am a Midconian.
We have collaborated with a well-known multi-specialty hospital in the vicinity to provide medical aid to our students in case of emergencies. Highlights: blend of technical and management subjects, structured summer internship projects, innovative teaching pedagogy, corporate mentoring, focus on soft skills, excellent job placements, industry-oriented curriculum.
Midcon provides us with 6 to 8 weeks of summer training placements with reputed companies, which helps us to understand and work on live time-bound projects and gain first-hand experience of the corporate culture and its requirements. Thank you, Midcon.
MITCON flaunts a dynamic placement cell which assists students for securing a career in companies of repute such as Novartis Chiron Panacea, John Deere, IDBI Bank, ICICI Bank, Nagarjuna Fertilizers, Pfizer India, Nestle, GlaxoSmithKline, Bank of Baroda, HDFC Bank, Reliance Digital, CRISIL, BASF. AICTE approved international placement was held by MITCON in East Africa through campus placement. Another of our 15 to 20 alumni will be shortlisted for international placements.
I'm the first alumni of this particular college. I passed out in 2004. In the last 8 years or so, I have seen a tremendous change in the entire setup of my institute. The only thing which I can say to a student who is joining MITCON Institute is, if the student is committed towards our institute for minimum 2 years in terms of the knowledge what he is going to gain from our institute, I can assure you there is no looking back.
Things have changed so much with Midcon Institute of Management, not with infrastructure, but the kind of quality education they are imparting with their students. In Midcon Institute of Management, you have the best placements. We have international companies also coming in for placements in Midcon Institute of Management with great packages. Over a period of time, Midcon Institute of Management has become one of the premium institutes.
At Midcon, we assure you return of investment in the future of your child. Our mission is to develop proficient, socially responsible managers and entrepreneurs to meet the challenges of contemporary business environment. We are dedicated to excellence in all our endeavors, encouraging intellectual discipline and academic vigor to maximize learning. Midcon, your gateway to the corporate world.